What's up? How's it going, everyone? Little late, but it's all good. 3 people in here. Just trying to get my updates done so we can get going on the live stream. How you guys doing? Got Moonwell on the screen here. Moonwell's still running. This thing's still bullish. It looks good. If it breaks over the 618, if it doesn't get stuck here, this thing's going to continue to fly. But yeah, I'm trying to get my last update done here. How's it going, Alicia? First one in the house. What's up? No whack, yo, he says. Missed out on well. Yeah, we missed out on well. Maybe we should chase it. If it breaks over the 618 here and holds. I just finished an update on it. It's uploading right now. Maybe it's gonna go. What's up, Eric? He says proppy. Oh, Alicia's got some well. Crappie. Yeah, just give me one moment. The Moonwell video is uploading right now as we speak. How you guys doing? Everyone doing all right? Saturday. It didn't feel like a Saturday because I, of course, had to work all day. Okay, we got that done. All right, the well video is up for all the well moon boys out there and girls. Well's going to the moon. If it breaks over the 618, it's really going to go to the moon. Could very well get stuck there, though. Yeah, we're going to look at proppy. Just give me a moment. I'm trying to get these uploaded so I can move along here. All right, that's up. Yeah, I just uploaded a QNT video and someone said it's a dead coin. It's hilarious that people are still talking about dead coins. All right, almost done here. Yeah, we survived last night. Things didn't really break down as bad as, we could have had it happen. All right, that's done. Let me get off of here now. All right, here we go. Yeah, let's go look at proppy, says Eric. Proppy. What is proppy doing? We looked at this recently, I believe. Oh yeah, this is the property one. Oh wow, this thing's dying. Nah. All right, so the last time we looked at it, let's move that. Broke the uptrend. Still coming down here. What are we on? The weekly chart. Let's go down to the 3-day. So the 3-day chart, high to the low. It looks like, let me move this because I can't tell which one we're on here. Yeah, we're sitting right on the 0.5 retracement at 90. Still coming down, still in a downtrend. It just recently broke. It never bounced to back test yet. Depending on where you draw this thing, we could pull it all the way up to here. Yeah, maybe we had 1 week back test and now we're falling off the table. So really just keep it simple on proppy here. You're on the low to the high 0.5 at 90 and it's getting stuck right now at the macro 0.5 at $1. So if it breaks over $1, it'll spike up to the 382 here, and then if you can get over 128, short-term bullish, and then it'll start pushing higher here. So bullish over 128, you have to get over $1, and if you lose 90, then you're going to continue to come down here which it had that wick bottom, but ultimately it doesn't still look very good. So if it falls below 90, I don't know what I just said. The macro of 382 is going to be up next. So this thing needs to hold over the 382 at 68 to stay macro bullish. And you can see that's another 26% drop. But one thing I would note is it's coming down pretty hard here, but it is starting to go sideways now. So it's holding up on 90 here. So maybe it holds and we get a nice bounce. And then where's this thing going to end up? We do have the new high, potentially a 16.5, almost a 17x to a 1 billion market cap, up to about 1160 here. Well, let me move this now because we are up here. So about a 12.5, 13x to a billion market cap on property. And like I've said many times, you got to take into account the market cap it has now. So if this thing has a couple 100,000 market cap, say it has a 200 million market cap. I don't know what the market cap is. I'd have to go look it up. But yeah, let me do that real quick, just for my own sanity, I guess. But if something's sitting at like a 1 million market cap or 2 million or 5 million, there's no way it's going to go to a like a 20 million market cap or 15 million market cap. That's just too large of a move, in my opinion, at least. So Proppy right now is sitting at, come on, Proppy, 53 million market cap. So 53 million market cap. The big question is, can it hit a billion? If it doesn't, maybe it only comes up to the previous high and you get about a 5x, you know, a little above, a little below it. But that's what things tend to do. They'll come up to the previous high and maybe they make a slightly lower high and then they just go back to where they came from. Kind of like it did here, the high to this high, and then a little bit, well, I guess it did break that high, but you get the idea. Comes up to these levels and gets stuck and comes right back down, never breaks that ultimate high. Back over to the chat here really quick. I'm gonna have to mute this in just a moment. Alicia says, can you look at Beam and Neon? I don't know what Neon is. Joseph, what's going on? How you doing? Yeah, we're gonna go look at Beam. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Only 9 people in here. Usually by the end of the stream, we're getting. We had 40 people last night. More people start coming in late, so I'll be back in 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes and let some people pile in here. All right, I'm back. So beam and I don't know what that other one is. Beam. We got a chart for beam, pretty sure. How many people we got coming in here now? Yesterday we were bearish as hell, and there was 45 people in here last night. See if we can break that today. Matthew says Moonwell. I told you. Told y'all. I told y'all Moonwell. And Yan. How do you say that? Yan? Degen is breaking out. Yeah, last night on that drop we were having, maybe that was the dip that you were supposed to buy. Yeah, last time we looked at, let me bring this up on the bigger screen. Last time we looked at Degen, though, it looked good. So hopefully that helped with Proppy there. Of course, this is entertainment, not financial advice. Beam to the moon. We haven't looked at Beam in a minute. Beam here. Oh, damn. What's going on with the Beam chart? Has it really been that long since I looked at Beam? That's not even a... Oh, no. We're going to have to work for it. Work for it here for Beam. So Beam, low to the high. The reason I'm using that low there is because there's no wick on this green candle here. So we're going with the first, which I can go down to the daily so we can see a little better here. But these first candles right here, which not the best respect of a chart, but it is what it is. That's really all I can say. So just looking at the price here on Beam, it looks like the rest of the market hit that low 786, bounced, and it's moving up. It's above the 0.5 here after bouncing on the 618. It's just kind of stair stepping its way up with the rest of the market. Higher highs, higher lows. And as long as you're above the 0.5 at 1.7, you're at 1.8, up 7% on the week here. If it continues this structure here, then it should bounce off of this level and hit a 382, make a higher high. So an 18% move potentially. It looks good here up to 0.22. And then once you get over that level, we know macro, you are bullish over that level here. So bullish over 2 up to 2.8, and it looks good here, the structure wise. And then where is Beam going to end up? Beam's prediction here. Has it been that long since we looked at it? All right, so Beam from where it is right now, curling up here. I would imagine these are based on Fibonacci levels, which I can easily pull up. What is the market cap on Beam? Does anyone know? Because I really don't feel like looking it up right now. All right, these are probably from here. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know what these are based on. We may have to do a new chart. I don't know. All right, so we'll just stick with this here. 12 billion market cap. From today, a 11 to 12x. I really want to know what this is, though. Oh, is it this maybe? Yeah, we're going to have to redo the market caps on Beam here. Let me go ahead and just take all of this mess off of the screen. All right, so everything I said on Beam there, but we're going to have to redo this because this is just nonsense on the screen. So now that it came down here and bottomed out, it makes it a lot easier on me, so we can just simply draw high to the low. So for anyone on or in Beam, we are above the 382 at 18, so high to the low, you're bullish. And the targets for Beam here, it's currently at 1.8. If it comes all the way up here and hits 30 cents pretty much, that's going to give you almost a 16x. So Beam right now, which I can't look at the chat because, all right, the market cap is 957 million. Okay. Got 24 people in here. How's everyone doing tonight on a Saturday night in here looking at crypto? All right, so let me go over here. Yeah, we looked at Proppy. We're looking at Beam. This is, yeah, okay. All right, so Beam here. What am I looking at the right Beam? $957 million market cap. All right, doesn't look too bad on Beam. They got 85% of the coins in circulation. If it comes up to 30 cents, let's just move this along because this is taking way too long again. But if Beam hits 30 cents, it's currently got a circulating supply of 52 billion. So just real quick, just a rough estimate. Times 30 cents, that would give you the market cap of around 15.6 billion. That may be what we had on the chart. All right, so just trying to move this along. So it's just under $1 billion market cap in a bull run. You got to ask yourself, yeah, if it can hit that market cap there, 15 billion. Is there anything pumping today besides Moonwell? All right, I got too many tabs open again. All right, so Moonwell to the moon, not Moonwell, BMX, I mean. The new high here would give it a 6.5 penny range and a 3.5x. But I think in a bull run, it's going to do way better than that. 1618 would give you an 11 cent 6x. But if you want a good target here, I would say 15 billion, 29.30 cents, and a 16.5x here on Beam. But it's like the rest of the market, like I said, it's curling up. Looks good. What's about the 5x? Cardano? Okay, yeah, that's the right Beam. Yeah, I allocate 1K a month to different crypto projects. Really? Must be nice to be able to do that. In me down, I don't know how to say your name. Cardano, let's go, he says. Look at Nike Pig. Also, Snack and Frin. Cardano Bitcoin integration. What's up, Matthew? How's it going? What is DGen doing? Is DGen moving? I know you said another coin, but this guy's coming in here asking for Nike Pig, and Snack. Yeah, I've heard of Snack. We're gonna have to go over to Dex Screener for that. But what is DGen doing? Is it doing anything? What you guys smoking? DGen's not doing anything. DGen broke the 382 support level here. Oh yeah, we looked at that last night, I believe. Yeah, now I remember. Because DGen was looking bullish here, trying to form a triangle pattern. Or we may have been looking at something else, but this is doing the same thing. So as long as you're below the 382 at 008, you're no longer bullish on that breakdown. It could get back over it. It's not looking the worst on this wick here. It's still holding higher lows here, so it's still curled up. And I would imagine it probably hit a level here. All right, so you stayed above the 382 at 6.3. As long as the DGen is above that, it's still bullish. So it may push right back through after that little breakdown here. Nike on Dex Screener. Yeah, I'll go over to Dex Screener in just a moment. We'll look at those. I want to know what my coin's doing. What's up, Matthew? I'm doing good, just tired. Worked since 6 o'clock this morning. And yet again, worked all day, worked my ass off. And then by the time I get home, I got to get some updates done. And by the time I get on the live stream, I'm just low energy. I really got to get some coffee or something. Mog, Pepe, they're all up 5%. Yeah, who was it? Elizabeth was in here last night, and she gave me 1 Solana, which, by the way, we had some guy come in the other day, and he was trying to send me a coin. If you go on any of the videos on this live stream, there's BTC, Tether, and Sol. You only send Bitcoin, Tether, and Solana to those wallets. You don't send a Solana coin to the Solana wallet. That's not going to work. It's going to disappear into the nothing. But yeah, Elizabeth sent me 1 Sol last night, which was very amazing. And I'm still looking to buy in on a coin on Dex Screener, so we're going to have to go over to Dex Screener in a moment. Yeah, we looked at Beam for Alicia. What was the other one you said? We'll come back to it. Trump on Sol is up 32%. That would be nice if my Solana coin pumped. All right, let me bring up Dex Screener here. NYAN. Okay, NYAN. Is that something new? You said it's a gaming coin, right? Nan Heroes. I'd imagine that's what you're talking about, a gaming coin. Mexi, Gate.io. This one? PNG. Yeah, I need to get around to Kubos in the house. How's it going? Yeah, I need to get around to making some updates on the channel. It feels like I haven't covered PNG in a long time. Memes are starting to move. Even Goat AI is starting to move. Man, I hope the meme coins start to move. All right, looking at this one here. We'll look at this one and then we'll go over to Dex Screener. Just because Alicia's here all the time supporting, and I appreciate that. So I'll look at these two for you. So we did Beam. We'll do this one here. So high to the low on Heroes here. I'm just going to call it Heroes because the other word makes my head hurt. High to the low. Let me see if I can get it. Well, we'll just keep it there. A lot of times that initial candle doesn't tell us much, but we'll leave it here. And I'll just quickly pull this up before you guys get bored and run out of the stream. Let me pull this up real quick here. NANNY. Heroes. Okay. 12 million market cap. 12 million market cap. I don't know the deal with the supply they're going to put out, but they've only got about 14% of the supply in circulation. 143 million circulating. So if this coin here, let's go ahead and measure it really quick. Get the ball rolling on this. Oh, why is that not my thing? Oh, I guess it is. All right, so this Heroes coin, let's see what kind of damage this thing can do. 786 retracement up to 31. There's only a 3.5x, so we'll just ignore that. Because I'm pretty sure the newer coins like this, I think you guys want better returns than that. So a 9.5x almost to 84 cents from 9. 1272 retracement, 84 cents. Let me go ahead and pull this up really quick. So from the current supply, and what did I say? I already forgot. 84 cents. 120 million market cap from 12 million. That's very possible. So that's a good target there. A new high would give you 120 million market cap from the current supply, 9.5x almost. So that's a pretty good target there. And then if it hits $1, you're getting about a 12x out of this thing. Where am I at? I'm lost already. He said, what's an exit strategy? What's an exit strategy? All right, let me go ahead and do the market cap on this while you guys are chatting over there. 27 people in here. Welcome in, everyone. I'm gonna go look at P&G in just a moment. Kubos or Kubas. Am I reading that wrong? I can't see that so small. Kubos. I'm pretty sure P&G is not doing anything, and it's still bullish. All right, looking at heroes here. One last target for $1.12. So if this thing hits $1.12, then you're gonna have yourself $160 million market cap. So that's not much of a difference. We'll get a better chart going on this thing at some point. What is your target for this Heroes game? Heroes, new gaming coin. Maybe it comes up to $1.70 and you get a 18.5x on this thing. I'll leave this chart here though. So let's go look over at Deck Screener real quick. He says Miria. Zahid, welcome back. Miria. Oh, he said P&G's not looking good. Let's see what P&G is doing. What was the one that was falling last night? Fox or GFI? One of those. Is it still falling? Yeah, P&G is not doing anything. It's in the same spot. I'm still very bullish on P&G. So why is this so far over? But yeah, just looking at P&G here, it's still in the same spot. We cover it all the time. Bullish pattern in the past, went to the moon, did a 9.5, almost a 10x, and yet again, in a large bullish pattern, it's still holding up over our 1272, did not break down. Looks good. Market structure still intact, and the measured move potentially takes you up to the 2272 at 221, and another large move out of a very bullish pattern here. And if you go look over at the IOS network chart, it looks exactly the same as this. So when P&G is running, IOS is going to run, in my opinion. But it's yet to break out. It's not broken out yet. But yeah, it's been holding up for a very long time here. Yeah, P&G looks good. If you zoom out and look at the macro, how can you not be bullish on P&G here? Especially the fact that it didn't crash last night like some things did. What was the one we were looking at? Was it GFI? I can't remember which one it was. I just want to say GFI or Fox. Oh yeah, it was GFI. GFI pulled away from the trend, as we pointed out, like it did in the past here, came down and bounced back up. But now this thing broke our green box. It's below the 382 now. So you're no longer bullish on the price below 166. You're at 150 here. It broke the low. So right now, downtrend held, and it does not look good on GFI at the moment. As long as you're in this structure here now, and you broke below that 382, I don't see why this thing wouldn't drop down 25 to 30% almost to these levels. Of course, this weekly candle has a, let me see, a 3-day candle. All right, so we have a 3-day candle still holding up. It only has an hour left. So if you get bought back up in an hour, could be a good thing, but a day left on this candle here. If this gets bought back up into a wick and you hold the 3-2, you very well could get a bounce right back up. But it does not look good at all here for GFI on that breakdown. So yeah, he said Miria. Yeah, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it is coming down to that dollar range. It's melting away right now. So for the GFI holders, I don't know what's happening. Are they still releasing tokens? I think I asked that last night. But on top of the crash we had last night, the mini crash, and then whatever they're doing, just not mixing well. It looks like the price is just melting off of our downtrend line here. Just slowly dripping away to zero. Oh my. All right, let's go over to Dex Screener real quick. Oh yeah, Matthew, I've heard of MFer. There's a whole category on crypto.com that has meme coins on it that are easily buyable, but I've never bought any of them. Nike just got listed on LCX Exchange yesterday. So is that a Cardano meme coin? Do they actually have meme coins? All right, let me switch this to Dex Screener. Wait, I didn't ask you guys, is the music too loud? I think I have it up too loud. All right, I turned the music down 2 notches. They started SNEC. Okay. I heard of SNEC before. I don't think we've looked at it, but now that you say that, I think it is the Cardano thing. All right, is the music fine? Got 22 people in here, not as much as would. I'm surprised last night when we were bearish, people were piling in here. But yeah, let me go look. Let me put Dex Screener up. But someone tell me about the music. Can you hear it at all? I turned it down 2 notches. All right, Dex Screener. All right, so the first order of business. The first order of business. All right, he says the music is good. I was reading your comment while I was trying to speak. Apparently, I can't do both at the same time. All right, so yeah, that's the one. I was going to buy Giga. What did Giga end up doing? But Elizabeth last night sent me 1 whole Solana to buy Giga here. Did it? And we're waiting, or I was waiting for it to come down to the 786 retracement here, which it kind of hit this area here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Starting to curl up here. Maybe this is it. I don't know. All right, but looking at Giga, still doesn't look great because it's still making lower highs and lower lows. So it could still end up dropping here. I'm pretty much talking to myself because this is the one that she wanted me to buy in on. It still could drop about 24% from where it is right now, because it did the same thing right here. It looked like it was maybe bottoming out here, pumped a little, and then just came right back down. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. So SNEC, or you said Nike. Nike Pig on Cardano. Okay, I didn't know Cardano had coins. I would guess this is it here. Oh, I remember that episode. All right, let me go back over to the chat. This is the right one, huh? Giga on Soul. There's Elizabeth. Elizabeth's in the house. No, I did not buy yet. It doesn't look good yet, but if it comes down to that 786, that's what I'm waiting for. That I just went over. It potentially is going to drop another 24-25% here, down to that 786. So I'm waiting for that price. Potentially could be a very good price to get in. But welcome back. We got Eldor for 2 says it's Swift Coin dead. I don't know. I haven't looked at Swift Coin in a minute. I'll go over there in just a moment though. Degen, Sungji, Degen. Yeah, we looked at Degen a while ago. It's down below the 382, so it's no longer bullish. We'll have to see what happens. We were very bullish on Degen, but we'll see what happens. It has to get back over a level. All right, so looking at Nike. So Nike, ADA on mini swap. This is the 4-hour chart. You said this thing just launched on LCX exchange, or it just came out? All right, I got to get in here and look at the overall chart. But yeah, this is the right one, ain't it? What's up, CD? How you doing? He says, hope you're good, brother. I'm good, just tired from work. I need some caffeine or something. We're trying to cover some meme coins at the moment, and then I got to go look at Swift Coin for Eldor. What were we looking at though? You said memes, Snack. They started Snack. Nike just listed on LCX exchange. All right, so I got a new exchange listing. But yeah, let me go ahead and do what I got to do here on it. Not looking the worst. Not looking the worst. 2 million market cap. How many holders does this thing have? It doesn't tell me on this one. Cardano meme coins. So is there another exchange or another coin that we're missing that have meme coins on them? Like Cardano? No one even thinks about Cardano meme coins. At least not me. All right, looking on the 3-day chart here. Not looking bad. Clearly put in a bottom. Let's move this to where we can see. I hate these little buttons here. High to the low, it's over the 236 sitting on here. So as long as you're over 249, you're at 27. The bottom is confirmed in. Last time it got stuck at the 382. So if you hold here, it needs to get over 389 here. Once it gets over that, you are bullish. But like I said, it looks good here. Oh, excuse me. And if this thing is going to come up and make a new high, this is what we've pretty much been doing on all the meme coins, is just keeping it simple. It's over the 236. Once it gets over the 382, it's bullish. And then once it pushes through, I would say on this one, these, I would say the 618 at 7.9. Once you get over the 7.9 area, it's a 200% move almost at 3x. That's when you're probably going to end up spiking up to a new high here. So a new high on Nike here would be a 20x. Pretty much from where you are today. I don't know why I brought up the text thing. But yeah, not bad. Bottom is in, bullish over that price there. Low market cap, Cardano meme coin. So what is SNEC doing? I haven't seen SNEC in a long time. And another one I keep forgetting about is Skid. Skid to the moon. So is this SNEC? Maybe I haven't heard of this one. Damn, this thing had a huge spike up. I don't remember what other meme coins you guys wanted to look at, but for you guys that are on the Solana train, not Solana, you guys remember Skid? Success Kid here. What is this thing up to? 1.4 million market cap, 8,000 holders. All right, so this thing is still going down. All right, so this chart doesn't look the greatest. It's still breaking lows and going down lower. Okay, so we don't like Skid here. What did Speedy do? Speedy to the moon still, or did it still get stuck? Speedy, we're on the 4-hour chart on Speedy. Low to the high. Oh yeah, it's back above the 382. So after it dipped down, it's back over 1.9. So as long as you're over 1.9, you're back to being bullish here. and then over 0.26 a little more bullish, and then it'll break the high at some point. But if it falls down below the 382 here again with the market structure, you can clearly see in play here higher lows. If it ends up breaking down again, that's probably the top on Speedy, which if we zoom out, of course, this thing went vertical. And on the larger time frames, you can clearly see on the 3-day chart here pretty much a spinning top candle, so that could signal that was the top, and then bearish momentum here. But it is sitting right on the 382. That's your only hope. So just think of Star Wars, your only hope. It's 1-9, but could very well be the top on Speedy. So hopefully you guys took some profit on that one. He said, what did he say? I'm lost. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Got 30 people in here now. Super Tennis, how's it going? Also got their first SE. Yeah, not a problem. I wish I could say your name. In me down. I don't know what that means. Nike. Super Tennis says Nike. Geraldo says pig. Nike. He's a good pig. Speedy's getting listed on Bitmart. Okay. Like I said, it may hold up here and continue running. Super Tennis is super bullish on pig here, as you can clearly see. What's up, Smoking Crypto? How's it going? How you doing? Oh yeah, Alien Base. Thanks for reminding me. I forgot about Alien Base. Yosef says Brett, Mog, Pepe, and MAGA hats. Oh yeah, I know the base ecosystem has memes. What's up, Jetpack? What was the other one you said? Oh yeah, Alien Base. I got it on the screen. What the hell's wrong with me? What is Alien Base doing? Last time we looked at Alien Base, it was moving. She was pumping pretty good. No, she got stuck. Still over recent low high 236, so 7-1 here, or is that 7-9? I can't really see that. Let me move this over. All right, 7-1. As long as you're over 7-1 at this low to the high 236, you're considered still bullish to push. But we've been pointing this out on Alien Base. It's just ranging right now, and it is making lower highs. Which, now that I say that, it made a higher low here. So I would guess that if we zoom this out, yeah, it may be more bullish than we think. By just zooming the chart out like this, and if we were to draw trend lines, you can easily see this thing's in a large triangle pattern. So if I draw this real quick, but we cover Alien Base on the channel all the time. I would imagine you know that. But you can see here, if we do this, especially if we go out to the monthly chart, move up into this consolidation period, that's bullish. So it could still end up pulling back down to that 4 penny range, still staying bullish on both of our Fibonacci's here, pull all the way back down here, and then come right back up, and I would still be bullish on Alien Base here. So I didn't see this before. So it could come back down 50%, and then we would still be macro bullish on the price of Alien Base here. So that's another step of being more bullish on this one here. Not bad. Glad we looked at it now. 100 from today now to the high of the fib, $15, is now a 181x. And then of course, if it ends up dropping back down to the bottom of the pattern here, drops 50%, you can see that's going to turn this thing back into that 364x almost on alien base. So alien base could be a very good play, not financial advice. So yeah, 8.7 million market cap, 83,000 holders. We've been watching this for a while and it's been slowly growing. Alien base to the moon here. I gotta get caught up with the chats. I'm way behind. Hoppy, MAGA, hat, and Euro. Are you guys just naming off your coins that you have? Because I can't cover all these coins. When it comes to memes, I can't mess with anyone. It has to meet a certain criteria. What is your criteria? Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully Speedy continues to run. Said he's just staring at the charts, watching the millionaires buy in, or watching people buy millions rather. Let me look at, you guys know what coin I own. My one and only Solo. It's very fitting. We looked at all these yesterday. SNEC we looked at today. Giga we looked at. We're still waiting on that one. I want it to come down because I want something to hit a bottom and bounce and finally get me some sort of money. And that one Solana is awesome and it's going to help, hopefully. Maneki already broke out. It's back below the 382. It's simply just probably pulling back to 005. But it's one that broke out. But what we're expecting here, what I'm expecting, Honk and Used Car did the same thing. They broke out, they came up to a point, pull back, back test, and then we go to the moon. In an ideal world, of course. But Goat, yeah, Goat we looked at. What is Soul doing? Man, this thing dropped hard. It dropped hard, but it didn't break structure, so I was very happy on that. So, still got the structure in place. Soul already here to the moon. It finally made a higher high. Still in the downtrend, and it's still got the structure here. So, this is the one coin that I put $100 on. I know that's not much to a lot of you people, or a lot of you guys out there. I said a lot of you people. A lot of you guys out there, but right now, to me, it is. You see, if this thing makes a new high, which it runs hard when it runs, 83x almost, if I can hold to a new high. That's my plan. I'm just going to hold this until it makes a new high. Soul Ordi. Soul Ordi to the moon. I got to get back over here. What are you guys saying? 36 people in here. Not bad. Oh, yeah. Young Eldor sent $2, so we got to go back and look at Swift Coin. Got to prioritize the super chats. So we got to go back from deck screener here. Really quick, Swift Coin. So yeah, GFI looks terrible. Was VAR looking horrible again? I think VAR is melting away too. VAR is headed to the void. What am I looking for? Swift Coin. Swift Coin. What is Swift Coin doing? Swift Coin is doing nothing. I don't remember what you asked about it. You super chatted, but there's nothing happening with Swift Coin. It looks good still. Macro wise, weekly chart. Still holding market structure. It's just below the 618, but I've said this many times, it does not have to be perfectly on point on that price here. But yeah, it looks good. If the market, especially after last night, we didn't just completely break down, because I pointed out in the past that potentially we're in a downtrend here and everything's starting to form these bear flags, continuation pattern to the downside. And after last night, if that was the case, we would probably have seen a lot of things break down, which didn't happen. So I think we're still good. I think we're good here. But yeah, Swiftcoin Swiftcoin isn't doing anything. Needs to get back over 3-1, of course. And then depending on where we draw the high to the low here, it's sitting right on top of pretty much the 236. It's right below it, but we're not going to pick at it too much. So 3-1, it's at 3-0. 3-1 up to, what was that other price? Oh, 3-1. So if it gets over 3-1, you're back in good shape here, which it already looks good. But I guess you're questioning the chart here. Maybe this was the top, made a slightly higher high, and then that's all she wrote, early topper. So if it does end up pumping, it needs to break, it has to come up here and break the structure. First step would be breaking these highs, but of course, if it comes up here and comes back to 83, 100 and what is that, 165, 66% move. But if it can break this structure here long term over that wick, then you're in good shape. Then it'll probably end up going to these higher targets here. And that would answer your question, hopefully. But yeah, the overall chart though hasn't done anything. It's just gone sideways forever. So I would imagine in a bull market, even though it didn't do it last time, which where can you buy this thing at? Is Swiftcoin on CoinMarketCap? If Swiftcoin, Swift blockchain here is on something that you can actually buy it on, then it will run, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm getting behind on chats again. Fox is still on the move, is it? Fox, the trucking company, on the move here. Yeah, we looked at this last night, I believe. Fox just had a huge candle spawn in here, broke the downtrend. Completely different from GFI. GFI just broke down. Yeah, I can go ahead and get this line off of the chart. Then pull this over. But yeah, Fox looks good here. Broke the downtrend. It didn't quite hit the final 786 support down here. I believe that's what that is. Let's see here. So congrats to all the Fox holders here. This thing's finally doing something. Yeah, that was the 786. It blew right through all of these levels here. Look at this, and it's still going. So it's over high to the low 382. As long as you're over 6.9 here, this thing is back to being bullish on this price action here. Then once you get over the macro 382 at 87, you're macro bullish once again. So we'll see what happens here. It may come all the way up here and get stuck at the trend and then pull back and then hold. So just watch for that. But yeah, this thing on the weekly is going straight up right now. 122% already. But keep it simple. I would just watch 6.4 or 6.9 here. If you can hold over that, this thing's still bullish. Fox to the moon. But I told you this. Told you guys this before. I saw Fox, the same exact thing they have on their little thing here. I don't know where they got it from. I saw the same exact ticker symbol on a truck on the highway, and it was like Fox truck or something, and I was like, that's Fox the coin on the side of their truck. Fox to the moon. So what's going on with Matic? Is something happening with Matic? I heard something about Matic today. What's up, Jack Sparrow, Turbo, and Myro, and LCX, please? Yeah, people are asking for all kinds of things. I forgot to look at something on deck screen or someone asked for. I don't remember what it was. Yeah, I can't believe Fox is still running here. Why is it running so hard, though? Eldor says Coinbase. Okay. Alright then, yeah, it'll probably run then. Jasmine Guy Crypto, how's it going? What's up, Flip Coins, back in the house? How you doing, man? He says Matic to $15. We haven't looked at Matic in forever. Matthew says there's a well that is massively dumping Fox every time we go up. Be careful. Yeah, you got to watch out for that. I heard they are burning Fox when you stake it. I don't know, but it's good to see something moving like this. We saw, what else did we see move like this? Polyswarm a couple weeks ago. There was something else that pumped and then fell off the table. So just be careful, even though Fox is pumping here, like he said about the well. And then also, you know, it could come up to either of these spots and get stuck, and then everyone's going to sell because they're finally getting some money back here. Because people are still very bearish right now. Oh, yeah, was it math? Oh, we got Flip Coins for 10. Super sticker. I appreciate that. Appreciate Flip Coins coming in here every day. Let me look at math, and then we'll go back over to deck screener because I know there was something I forgot. Was math the one that dumped? I believe it was. Now that you said that, math here. So math. Oh yeah, because someone told me math was going to 0. Or they rug pulled math, but it simply came up here, as I pointed out, got stuck at the 618. The same thing right here that Fox is doing. This thing broke the downtrend, didn't go immediately, but it went, and you can see it got stuck, and then it sold off. So this is what we're looking for kind of on Fox, to hit the trend line, maybe wick up, hit a level, but ultimately, well, or whoever, someone's going to sell, and it's going to come down like this. So I know this thing's going to go up higher in the future, same with Fox, but right now we're not at that stage. So that could be good here. For anybody out here that's holding Fox right now and it's running, just know that we're not at that stage to where Fox is going to continue to run to the moon here. So you got to learn to take Hello, can you guys hear me? Internet went down, had to restart everything. We're back, I think. I don't know when the last thing you guys heard, but all right, we're back. Yeah, internet went down, had to reconnect, fix the problem. All right, I don't know what we were talking about last. We were talking about math, but I don't know what the last thing you guys heard. But yeah, we were looking at math, and I was telling you guys to be careful because what's happening on Fox is probably the same thing that's going to happen on Fox as in math, because math pumped, got stuck, 618 trend line, and then either a well or whoever sold, but it immediately sold off. We're not at that point of the market now to where everything's going to go completely vertical. So Fox is not at that stage yet. It could, but I don't think it is. It's going to have a pullback. So don't be scared to take profit. That's all I was trying to say. Not financial advice. How's it going, Shadow? How you doing? Yeah, internet crashed for a moment. Gooch Monkey, how's it going? Crypto says math is a VC controlled crypto. That's why it pumped and then dumped. All right, so back to flip coins, used car and ribbit. I appreciate the super sticker. Used car and ribbit. Yeah, when I'm over on these charts, I never know when something's crashing or something's going on, so I do apologize. It is what it is. Used car. What is used car doing? Let's see if it's still holding up. Oh, damn, wrong one. I gently used Milady. What the hell is that? That's just wrong. Oh my god, dog. Oh no, used cars going to zero. It's still holding up where this candle is, but it is down below the 3 too. But like I've told you guys before, it's not going to be perfect. And then what I can do here is zoom in and make it perfect. So let's make it perfect here. Good enough. Good enough to perfect. But yeah, used cars below the 382, so as long as you're below 135 here, that does put in play this thing coming back down. But it had a nice little run here, simply pulling back. I don't know why I grabbed that again. Internet going down threw me off. But could drop 41%. As you can see, they're back down to about 73007 there from where it is now. And it could very well hold. Like I said, especially on meme coins here, doesn't have to hold perfectly. But that's the best I can do with that. But if you just take the fib off of the chart and you were just to just draw a line on the chart like this, you can clearly see it's at this area of support once again. So it very well could hold here. I'm going to have to get this dog out of here. She's scratching and banging on the door. So as of right now, or when this thing comes up to a new high, 43.5x, almost a 44x on used car. And I think you said you're holding to a new high. But yeah, just hold tight. However much you got in there, decent run there. We just need these things to move already. Andy's late to the party. How's it going? Yeah, we just looked at ALB. But you missed it though. We're more bullish on ALB now. Fox says, man, I wish Fox could hit $1. You have a nice bag of Fox. Moondinge. Didn't Moondinge top out? We'll look at Moondinge, but we gotta look at, he said Ribbit. But yeah, used cars not looking bad. I mean, it's just doing what it's doing right now. Ribbit. Didn't we look at Ribbit the other day? Ribbit on Soul. Yeah, it's still curled up here from the last time we looked at it. It's over the 786 at 2.3. Not the worst looking structure here. I'm trying to see. I would just keep it simple. As long as you're over that, this high here broke these previous highs. So you broke this previous market structure here, this bearish market structure. Pumped, made a new, not a new high. Well, I guess you did. Yeah, you did make a new high. So once this thing punches through 498 here, it's going to spike up again, and we went over that last time. As long as it's curled up here over the 786, it looks good. Next stop is a 4X up to the new stop here, 1272 at 12.9. And then if it goes higher, next stop would be about a 7X up to 2.1. But yeah, Ribbit doesn't look bad here. You look at the overall chart here, yeah, it looks good here. The fact that it broke this structure here, bottomed out on this same level, and now it made a new high and it's curling up, this thing may go parabolic at some point and just go to new heights. In fact, it looks like it may be getting ready to do that. If you break this high here, then you may have something spawn in here. Giant green candle is going to spawn in. Can you do GST, Alexander? How's it going? Matt B, what chart is this? What are you talking about? Let's wait for him to answer while we're looking. I'm trying to see. Oh yeah, you said Moondinge. Yeah, we looked at Moondinge. We got 30 people in here. Everyone please hit the like button. It's going to help out a lot. Moondinge went to the moon. Can you imagine if you bought Moondinge before it went to the moon? Wait, this ain't the same one. Did they redo this? They made money, so they redid their website? You really? 254 million market cap. Alright, so it did hold up. So the last time we looked at it, this is the daily. Maybe we were looking, I think I was looking on a way bigger time frame. Maybe not. So the downtrend was in play, broke the downtrend, is going to the moon again. Can't believe it. My God. Why can't I get one of these? This is what I want my Soul Ordi to do. So it's over the high. Well, let me fix this now. So broke the downtrend. It's trying to go to the moon again. It looks very bullish right now. It's over the 786 here. I'd imagine the volume's coming in. Let me get the... So if it continues to run, it's probably going to hit a new high. 100% move, so it's about the 2x from where it is right now. Damn, I should just put my money in Moondinge, which there's no wicks on these candles down here, but I'll bring it down here. If we say here, still over the 786 at 23.5, 23.5. Next target is still a 2x, up to 52. Which every time I zoom in, I have to adjust all of this. Yeah, this thing's about to do another 2x. Potentially. It doesn't have to, but it's very bullish right now, and it is a meme coin. Maybe I should just move all my money in here, chase the candles. See if I can 2x it. Oh, man. You're longing it still? I wish I could long and short. Real degen stuff. Put some multipliers. I don't know why I said multipliers. Put some leverage on there. Every time I've ever done that, I've lost. Every time I've ever used leverage, I get liquidated. Crypto says don't chase. Yeah, I'm not going to chase. I've learned from the past. Every time I buy in, if I buy in right now, then all the Moondage people need to know that this thing's going to zero. Because if I buy in, it's done. With a 12x leverage. Gooch Monkey, hopefully you're making some money there. Don't be afraid to take profit, not financial advice. Got 34 people in here. How is everyone doing? How many people? Oh, wow. 34 people all on YouTube. There's nobody on Twitter watching. Oh, Twitter probably crashed. All right, Twitter's done. Twitter is in the void. It's no longer here. Baby goats. Matt says, are we watching Baby Goat? Baby Goat. I don't know if we've looked at that one. What's the ticker? I'll type it in. Is that the goat one? Baby. Oh, yeah. Someone mentioned this the other day. Baby Goat. This thing just came out, so it's very hard to trust. Baby Goat, 7,000 holders already, 400 million market, or 4 million market cap. Wow, how are so many people bullish on this one already? Baby Goat. Is Baby Goat the play? Can't really do anything with charting it because it's a brand new coin. Still got volume coming in, of course. Oh, it's so tough. Maybe we chase the Baby Goat. Do we chase the Baby Goat here? Not looking bad at all in this chart. This thing looks like it's about to go. Oh, no. But as soon as I take money out of Soul Ordy's going to go. I know it. Baby Goat to the moon. Baby goats. But yeah, hopefully everyone's doing well. What you guys got planned for tomorrow? You guys going to church? You guys and girls? Guys and gals? What am I sharing? Okay. He says never chase. Not even the baby goats. Have you guys ever had a baby goat for real? Baby goats are nuts. Especially if you have them in the house. I'm looking at baby goat on Rug Check and it looks good. Man, this thing looks good. Only almost 10% of are the top holders. Only 3%, 2% in the top wallets. Risk analysis is good. 96% locked liquidity. Doesn't seem to be a rug pull. Yeah, that's how I see it, or I used to see it. I have a rule nothing over 100 of chasing, yeah, but that's all I have right now. It's all locked up in Soul Ordi. And Soul Ordi looks so good right now, but I don't know when it's going to go. Optical.com, optical art. I don't even know how to say that. Optical art? Opticalart.com, okay. He says undead, so crypto is alive. I don't know what you mean by that, but yeah. Yeah, crypto's good. I don't know why people were so bearish and say we're not ever going up. Fox. Octavio, you must be making some money on Fox, huh? He says they're delicious. They're delicious. I don't know what you mean, opticalart.com. You stream crypto undead. You talking about the name? Undead is alive. What you talking about, Willis? Undead is alive, my man. Yeah, it's just the name of the channel. I don't know. Where's Elizabeth? Where's Elizabeth? Oh, she says use your soul. Elizabeth, should we buy baby goats? Baby goat to the moon. The regular goat went up. This thing came out what? October 25th. Chart looks very good. The chart does look delicious. He says he wants to eat a baby goat. What did the other goat do? Let's go look at the regular goat. Did the same people make this one? It's got the same picture and everything. Alright, so this is the original one. It's at a 716 million market cap. This thing came out when? October 9th. And what did it do? Oh my lord. This thing did a 275x, pretty much. In the matter of 2 weeks, pretty much. A little over 2 weeks. Top is in. The regular gold is old. Now it's time for baby goat to shine. What do you guys think about baby goat? Not financial advice. No one please buy in, but Matt B, yeah, the regular goat ripped. Yeah, it did. That's the thing, though. I mean, it could always go to zero. But, man. Goats. Yeah, and we're good up tomorrow. Look, they're just daddy goats. Are you kidding me? Launched 10 hours ago. Oh, daddy goat was a rug pull. No one wants to buy daddy goat. That's why that was a rug pull. You know what? I'm going to look at Daddy Goat on the Soul Scan rug checker. Just to see. Doesn't really tell me anything. I don't know, baby goat just launched. Yeah, this one did a 16x before it died. One giant candle here. These are 2-hour candles, by the way. This thing just came out. So daddy goat could still go, probably. Doesn't look bad on the rug check, just to be clear. Let me go back over to the chat. I don't know what you guys are talking about. He says, crap meme coin, just buy scratch off tickets instead. Nah, you never win at scratch offs. Yeah. Where's flip coins? Would you buy any of you guys that have been here for a while? What you think about baby goats? All right, so we looked at Moodinge, we looked at Ribbit, used car, Maneki. Yeah, for the person that was asking for ALB, if you're still here, we looked at the chart here, and then I just kind of zoomed it out. It's still bullish. It's still making lower highs, which is not bullish. But if you factor in the pattern here, higher or lower highs and higher lows, and off of this strong move, this thing's in a large bullish continuation pattern to the upside here. It still could drop about 48%, I believe we said, 48 to 50% back down to the bottom of this pattern. But ultimately, it is a bullish continuation pattern. Right now, it's about 180x. If it drops all the way back down here, it's about a 320, 30, 40x, something like that. I don't remember. But yeah, the overall chart looks extremely bullish here. ALB to the moon. So hopefully whoever asked for that. Yeah, I'm going to add baby goat here to my watch list on my phone real quick. WF Capital says, yo, what's up? OKT on Solana says flip coins. What is that? I just want one that's going to rip like some of these people get. I just need one. That's it. I know that's a lot to ask for, but did I type that in right? OKT. All right, let me go back over here because I don't know what you mean. OKT on Solana. This one? Why is it OKT? Excuse me. Soja coin. Why does that pop up when I type in OKT? Yeah, I don't know I don't know what I'm looking for. OKT, he says on Solana. OTK, okay. Well, so is this Soja Boy's coin? Just trying to see what the chart looks like. All right, he said OTK. How long we been in here now? Hour and 28 minutes. Yeah, it won't be much longer, and I'll have to cut it. But I'm thinking about getting me a baby goat. We'll go back and look at Baby Goat in just a minute before we end up leaving. And if I missed anyone's what they wanted me to look at, I'm sorry. You guys come in here, I appreciate it, but you guys come in here with so much to look at. OTK, I'm getting off topic. OTK, what is OTK doing? Octo. This one here, 10 million market cap, 12,000 holders. Yeah, is this it here? 30 people still in here. Yeah, Twitter got booted out. So there'd probably be more people watching, but Twitter's gone when the internet went down. But yeah. I think this is the right one. I mean, not bad looking. Yeah, could very well go. 10 million market cap. I don't know what this thing is. If I'm looking at the right one, of course. But it's clearly bottoming out here. Alright, he says yes, gaming coin. So this is it we have on the screen then, huh? I'll just keep it simple. It looks like it's bottomed here. You can clearly see in the past and now where it is. The one thing I would want to see here, it is starting to make a higher low slightly here. Once you break over this high here at about 4.3, then you can be bullish on this thing that it's curling up. Once you get that little curl up going, that's when this thing's probably going to start running. If it's going to run, there's no guarantee. Let me get this off of the chart though. High to the low. It's above the 236, so the bottom is in. Over 2.4, but it needs to get back over 3.2 up to that previous high at the 0.5. You can see where it's getting stuck. So it needs to get over, and then you can be bullish on it. And then you'll see it curling up is over 4.1. Once you get the price over 4.1, then it's bullish at that point. OKT on Sol. Yeah, we're gonna have a big Sol list. Solana. She says if you buy Baby Goat type coin, you have to be ready to cut. Oh yeah, I understand what you mean. I just want to buy something, go to sleep, and wake up and have it do a mood dinge or a goat number one. Yeah, Baby Goat. Let's go back and look at Baby Goat one last time. When did Baby Goat come out? $4 million market cap, liquidities, holders. I mean, there's nothing that looks bad about it. Chart looks good. It's curling up. That wick looks good. I'm not even going to do TA on it because I'm just looking at the chart here. I hear you, dog. Hold on. So how much is it up already? That's the question. You got her, Bubba? All right, so Goat here already did 110x. Baby Goat from launch. Damn, 127x. Question is it going to continue to run? And Daddy Goat just launched, and there's probably a Mama Goat and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, this one here just launched. It did a 15x, 16x. And Moodinge went to the moon already. It's a viral one on Twitter. And it still looks bullish here. Oh, what happened? It's so many choices. I don't know what to say. Too many choices here. And I always pick the wrong one. I'm waiting for Soul Orty to pull a honk and a used car. Get a decent little pump going here. And then I can use that to roll over into other things. See, 190x, so almost a 3x once it breaks out. Yeah, let me go back over to the chat. 27 people in here. So any other meme coins you guys want to look at? I know some more were asked for, but football and crypto, LOL. Oh, that was Matt B that said Baby Goat. You watching Baby Goat. So Matt B, I guess you're in on Baby Goat. But yeah, what you said, Elizabeth, I think that's correct. I don't know, maybe when we get on here tomorrow, this Giga or something else will be in a good spot where we like it. I'm not going to chase Moodinge. That's just, I can't do that because I know it'll just go down. We missed Goat, we missed Moodinge, we missed Speedy. But this is my worry on Baby Goat. We're still down at this point. Wait, did I get that wrong? Dude. We measured that wrong. The regular Goat did over 1,000x. Are you kidding me? This thing almost did a 3,000x. Am I looking at this wrong? Because the 100x is right here. No way. Moodinge looks amazing, but it has a 254 million market cap already. That sounds like what you're more comfortable with. Yeah, I'm more comfortable with bigger things like Soul Orty, of course, but when you see something like this, Goat, I was thinking Goat did not as big as it did. But yeah, Goat came out and just went to the moon. So who actually got rich on Goat and Moodinge? Where are these people at? Are they just gone now? And then you have Daddy Goat that just launched 10 hours ago. Has a huge wick here, but it did a, what do we say, a 16x in less than a day. That's what I'm looking for. I don't care about risk tolerance. 400K market cap. 2,000 holders. Oh, we got Carlitos. How's it going? Welcome back. Kendu Inu, he says. Head Hog, welcome back. Yeah, Moonwell's bullish right now, trying to break over the 618. Carlitos says Kendu Inu. Is that a deck screener coin? That reminds me of Vita Inu, and what was the other one? All those other dog coins that I forgot about. Floki, Kendu, and not Kendu. Vita. There's another dog. Is this it? I don't want to get the wrong one. For Carlitos in the house. I appreciate that, Carlitos. Gooch Monkey says, I wish. We only got 16 people left in here. Everyone's leaving. Twitter people got booted out. We're the only ones left. I'm just going to assume this is the one you're talking about. Let me get the volume off here. Let me fix this. Go up a notch with the chart. Kendu Inu. I think this is the one you're talking about. If not, we'll have to redo it, but I'm going to go ahead and start. You guys sit down and relax and just let's do this real quick. Yeah, let me zoom it in so you can see, because you can't see anything here. High to the low. Got a nice bounce going. It is still making lower lows and lower highs. Still in a downtrend, clearly. So I would say the first thing this thing needs to do is it needs to get over a significant level here. Let me go from the high here to the low, but let me adjust this because that's going to be the same. But if we pull this down to this, it doesn't really change it much at all. Maybe there. Trying to see if the bottom is potentially going to be put in. It also depends on the time frame. If we go down to the daily time frame here, I hate the colors on here, by the way. But the most recent dip to the most recent high, and then we take that high to the most recent low, you're above the 236 here. Getting stuck right at the 382. So as long as you stay over 3, what are you at, 3.4? As long as you stay over 3.2, this is potentially the bottom, but you need to break over 3.6 here to be bullish. And then, of course, all the support in this area, you have to break over this 4.0 level. And then it's probably going to start going up. But yeah, without picking at it too much, it needs to get back over these levels here. Ultimately, it needs to break the structure, break the downtrend it's in. And then if it's going to make a new high, let me go to the overall chart here. Let me check really quick here. Hopefully we're still live. Did we go back down? Nah, we're good. PNG, bro, welcome in. How's it going? Yeah, PNG is still bullish. We looked at it earlier. Yeah, I think DGen's a good choice. He says he's been DCing into Moonwell at 4 cents. Yeah, all of these y'all are talking about are good picks. All right, so quick measurement on Kendu. Kendu. Not bad, a 15x to a new high at 3052. but it is not bullish yet in any way. It is holding, if you want to get a little more technical, that low back here, it is holding this uptrend, as you can see. So off of that wick, just like that wick, this very well could be the bottom, and it could do something again like this. Then you could have said that back here also, which it did come up, got stuck at 3.2, and then just came right back down. So hopefully that helped a little bit on Kendu Inu. 34 million market cap, 14,000 holders, Ethereum coin, an Inu coin. Sub Jetpack, am I blocked? Not on here. Why, did you say something? Welcome back, Jetpack. No, I missed it if you said something. Yeah, Moonwell's getting stuck at the 618 right now. Well, the last time we looked at it. You guys answered Jetpack. He said he thinks he's blocked. You guys are ignoring him. She says I'm acting like a DJ and I'm staying in Giga. Yeah, you're already in Giga, so I would just stay. Alright, so I guess that's it for Deck Screener. We're going to send Deck Screener into the void where Twitter went. But yeah, my only thing with the GOAT coins here, let me type in GOAT again. Are they going to launch every GOAT under the sun? The regular GOATs. A GOAT on every chain, of course. Sonic the GOAT. What the hell is that? Oh damn, this thing went to 0. Yeah. Complete rubbish. Let me see if they have a mommy goat or a mother goat. Oh no, they do. Daddy goat. That's the one we looked at. Daddy, baby, and mama, all right here. And the original goat. Are you kidding me? Wait, that's an M goat. There's a mommy goat. $45K. Man, these people are crazy. They just launch anything. The goat's brother is going to be next. The sister-in-law. What the hell? 2K market cap. This thing's probably a rug pull. 2 holders. Alright, back to goat, baby goats. Alright, baby goat has over 7,000 holders. 3 million market cap. Good lock liquidity here. I don't know, the other goat did the same thing like this, red candle for a moment, and then it just kept going. Oh yeah, but this thing too. Yeah, I'm getting my X's off. 5X to a 20X, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, we're right on this one. This one already did 126X. Is it going to do almost 3000X like its original goat? Hell, if it did even half of that. Come up here and do a 500X to 3 pennies. Wow, I don't know. I'm dreaming over here. Total rug, yep. Is there really an Uncle Goat? Wait, Jetpack says Swift Coin actually listed Baby Goat as well. Really? He says grab the dip on Moonwell. Yeah, if we had the money to. That's for rich people. We're looking at degenerate coins right now. We're looking at Mama Goat and Baby Goat and Uncle Goat. Throw our few pennies at. Oh my lord. He said Uncle Goat? Is that really a thing? I don't know why I capitalized goat. Daddy goats. Yeah, that's the one we looked at. Baby goats. The original goats. 689 million market cap. It probably started, man. Goat by Steve. Is this the same one or is this different? Yeah, there's so many of them. There's a Goat 2.0. So what's the difference in the goats? They're just different goats being launched? Wait, is this the same one? Alright, so my question is, how do you know that what's the right one to buy? Because this is the same one, but is it because it's on Radium? Oh, it's the same thing. I don't know what I'm talking about. What makes these different? They have the same holders, same market cap. Am I missing something here? Alright, that's enough of goat, I guess. Lumia. Oh, were you joking about the Uncle Goat? Step Goat. I don't know why that was so funny. Step Goat. Step Goat. I don't know. I may look into that goat after stream here. So I don't know. What do you think? Baby Goat The one on the screen here, do you think I should gamble on this one? I don't want to lose that Solana. Maybe, I don't know, maybe half of it. Only thing I'm afraid of was my luck. I buy in and it just continues to go down. And then when I sell, lose all my money, then it'll go to the moon. That's the worst ever, every time that happens. WF Capital, did they really list it? You guys are saying SwiftCoin listed it. Can someone else confirm? Step goat. While you're talking about goats, how many people are in here now? 36. Oh, we got 39 people. See, every time we get up to 39, 40, past 40, when it's time to end the stream, we already lost Twitter, so we're not even counting Twitter eyes. Oh shit, we are counting Twitter. Twitter's back. Twitter climbed its way out of the void. We got 9 people watching on Twitter. Let's go. I don't know why that step goat is funny. So many goats, yep. But out of all of them, I mean, they all did good moves, but Baby Goat here still has potential, I guess. I don't know, does any babies actually go? Baby Pepe, Baby Doge, Baby... Someone check, is there a Baby Moodinge? Baby Speedy? Maybe that's what we ought to look at. Because this thing could easily just come all the way back down. But if you guys are saying it's being listed in different places... But so many people are bullish on it here. Oh no, every goat started as a lamb. Now we're going to have Mama Lamb, Daddy Lamb, the original lamb, Step Lamb, Lamb Chops. Let me go look at their Twitter. Hold on. You said smaller time frame. Yeah, that's what we did. When we were on the 2 hour earlier. If you look on the 2 hour, this doesn't look bad. Come on. It just came out. It's curled up, higher highs, higher lows. I've seen this before. And it's just going to go straight up. Now, the question is it copying the original goat or even Daddy Goats? Daddy Goats. All right, so goat here. All right, this is the original goat that did over, what, a 2,700x? I am correct on that, ain't I? Or am I tripping? I don't know why I said tripping. I haven't said tripping in forever. All right, so looking at this one, let's go down to the smaller time frames. Let's go down to the 2 hour. What did this thing look at the beginning on the 2 hour time frame? I don't know. But this is what we're seeing kind of like right in here. Higher highs, higher lows, and then it just ripped, made a slightly higher high, and then a slight pullback, and it just went to the moon, and it just kept going. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, you know she was done though. Lower high. The original goat is done. It was bullish, now it's done. Baby goat's still a baby. Yeah, we're spending way too much time on goats today. This is the goat stream. Alright, so Daddy Goat just launched, what did I say, 10 hours ago? So you can't really see anything on this one. Yeah, so this thing just launched, so it's going to be hard to look at. Alright, 15-minute time frame. Made a lower high. I know it's a meme coin, hard to do TA on, but we're just kind of looking here. But no one's talking about Daddy Goat. They're all talking about Baby Goat. Alright, enough for the goats. Alright, so what do we got going on here? The word simp means goat. Effer, fun fact. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have read that out loud. Is that real? Sean M for $4.99. I appreciate that. He says, check out Baby Pepe. Baby Pepe to the moon. So it is on SwiftCoin. Yeah, we looked at SwiftCoin earlier. Alright, so Baby Pepe for Sean. But yeah, we're going to have to cut this very soon. It's getting late already. But I'll look at Baby Pepe really quick. I'll have to get off and decide if I want to degen into Baby Goat. Baby Pepe. Oh, you said the OX69 Babe. Okay. I take it it's this one on Ethereum. Yeah, this must be it. I can't see the whole thing. What do you say? Yeah, I think this is it. Alright, we'll look at this real quick. Baby Pepe on ETH. Put this thing on log scale, didn't change it much. I don't know what it just said. What are we on? 3-day. I don't know, this thing's just going to the moon right now. I really can't say much on it. 11 million market cap, 2,300 holders. Had a nice little dip there. Trying to get this to where I can draw something on it. Alright, so I guess your question is this thing still bullish? I don't know, it's very volatile. Came up and fell off the table, came up again. So just looking at the overall chart. right below the 236, but above the 382. So as long as you're above 219, which you can see last couple of days or weeks, or the last week here, it's just blown right through all the levels really quick. So if you can get over 278, you're at 272 here. That could tell you this thing's taken off again. Other than that, I'll have to go back to the chat because I don't even know if I'm looking at the right one here. Yeah, it's not really respect. Well, I guess it is to a degree. Came back down to the 0.5 and bounced. It already wicked through twice. Lower high, double top potentially. 3-0. I don't know. It looks like the top is in on this thing, maybe. It did pump back up. It's very hard to tell. I would just keep it simple. As long as you're above the previous high here at 2.3, this thing's still alive. So it could drop back down, bounce, and then go back up. That could be the case. Like I said, it's very hard to chart something that has this kind of a chart. Let me zoom in, 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it had that V-shaped recovery. This is actually an inverted head and shoulders. As you can see, the shoulder, the head, and then the shoulder. Yeah, I don't know. I would just keep it simple. If it can break this previous high here, then you're back to being bullish at 329. I don't know if that was the level we said earlier, but it needs to break this. Because as of right now, even off of this, you're making lower highs here, even though it pumped up. Doesn't look the greatest, I would say. All right, so hopefully that helped for, who was that? For Sean. Hopefully that was the right baby Pepe. If not, just ask me again tomorrow and I'll look at it. And maybe we'll look at a better chart, but this thing's hard to chart. But if you look at it on the macro picture here, it's bullish. Instead of zooming in on a meme coin and just looking at it like this, double bottom, higher low, extremely bullish. It took off, it made a higher high, and this weekly candle does not look too bad here, not too shabby. It may continue to run here. Only an 11 million market cap, so it could easily keep going. So maybe that's the best deal, is to just zoom out on the meme coins and do something like this. Because when you try to get too technical with the prices on lower time frames, it just never works out most of the time. So potentially a 3x in play as long as you're above 2.3 here, up to 6.9. That's what I would simply say, keep it that. So I'm glad I zoomed out there. But same market structure that we're looking at on Baby Goat on a larger time frame here. Higher highs, higher lows. With that structure here, even on the macro, this thing, even if it pulls back a little bit, it's curled up to where it just wants to go vertical. So maybe baby Pepe to the moon here. All right. With all that being said, we'll have to look at other things. I'm 2 hours late. Litecoin. What's up, Jerry? He says Litecoin to the moon. Yeah. If I didn't have to work tomorrow, I would stay on, but someone said bonk, please, really quick for Shaq. He said please and thank you. Yeah, people just have to rewatch here. We crashed once. Twitter's back, but it got so late so quick. We looked at a lot of goats, just so you guys that are just coming in here know. OG Jerry. These guys were talking about baby goats, daddy goats, and step goats. Oh my god. So let's get off of this. I will be back on streaming tomorrow. Let me go really quick look at Bonk. We didn't look at Bonk since the crash we had yesterday, the mini crash, whatever you want to call it. All right, just a real quick look at Bonk. I appreciate all you guys being in here. Yeah, we went over math. Let me check Well really quick. Well, I did an update on Well. They said Well's pulling back. It is at the 618, so yeah, if it doesn't pull through the 618 here, then there's probably a chance for a decent retracement back down on Well. And then, what was it? GFI is going to 0. Fox is going to the moon. And what am I looking for? Turbo. What is Turbo doing? Turbo, I'd imagine, still holding up. Oh no, he said Bonk, not Turbo. There's nothing wrong with Turbo here. Dipping down, but it's probably going to get bought back up. As long as you're over 8.6, this thing still looks bullish to me. But I think he said Bonk, not Turbo. But yeah, quick look at Bonk. Like I said, hit the like button, you guys, before you end up leaving. It's going to help a lot. Yeah, there's nothing going on with Bonk. It looks good. Still holding our 1414 at 20. Sitting between 20 and 25 here. Still in our very large bullish pattern. So everything I've said in the past on Bonk here is still holding up. If I ever make money on some meme coins, at some point, I'll throw some money in on Bonk and let it run. And then eventually, hopefully, Elon I can get in on. And then a bunch of others. All the plays we have on Coinbase that hopefully run late. But yeah, we need these meme coins to do something already. Can you guys even see what I'm looking at? Yeah, alright. You're longing Lumia USDT. What is that? Oh, Chris is back. He said, I tried, man. Sorry for the blue bowls. Yeah, I don't know what happened with that. Hopefully you didn't send a lot. But yeah, I said at the beginning of the stream, I think we were confused. In the description of the videos, it's Bitcoin, Tether, and then Solana. You have to send Bitcoin, Tether, or Solana. You can't send meme coins to the Solana wallet. Yeah, yet again, we got peak here. We're at 41 people watching, and it's time to get off. I know it sucks. I appreciate all you guys being in here. We'll look at some more stuff tomorrow. You guys need to go to the channel that just came in. Hit the notification thing, I guess, because you guys aren't getting notified of the streams, I guess. And that way you guys can be in here beginning tomorrow. We can start with 40. All right, so I'll leave it at that. I appreciate the super chats that came in. Flip Coins, Carlitos, Sean, and whoever else I missed. There was one more, Eldor. I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate Elizabeth being in here and giving me one Solana so I can gamble on baby goats. And with that being said, I appreciate you all. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.